In last video, we have discussed about the primary classification of fingerprint. In continuation of previous video, we will talk about the further classification of fingerprint in this video, which is the secondary and sub-secondary classification of fingerprint. Hello guys, I am Tushar Rajaram Ahire. I welcome you all to TOF. So without any delay, let's explore the forensics. Secondary classification. This system subdivides the large group of classification and it can be modified in case of large accumulation to make filing and search easier as well as quicker. In this system, the pattern which are present or exist on the index finger of both hands, right and left hand, is considered. It is represented by the capital letter symbol for two index fingers. In this system or in this classification, the right index finger should be taken at numerator and the left index finger should be taken at denominator. Before understanding the classification of fingerprint, we need to clear about the symbols of fingerprint patterns. As you can see on your screen, these are the symbols of fingerprints. For plain arch, it is denoted by capital A. For tented arch, it is denoted by capital T. For ulnar loop, it is U. For radial loop, it is R. For whorl, it is W. For central pocket loop, it is CP. For lateral pocket loop, LP. Twinned loop, S. And accidental, X. Now, let's come to the formula of this secondary classification. The formula will be right index upon left index. Now suppose consider the pattern which is found on right index is whorl and for left index it is radial loop. Then the classification will be W upon R. Now sub-secondary classification of fingerprints. This classification is applicable for whorl and loop patterns only. Again, in this classification, the index, middle and ring finger of right hand is placed at numerator and index, middle and ring finger of left hand is placed at denominator. In case of loop pattern, the index, middle and ring fingers are denoted by IMR. But in case of whorl patterns, the index, middle and ring fingers are denoted by in I, that is inner type, M meeting type and O outer type. Now you might have the question, what is this inner, meeting and outer type? So this is given on the basis of ridge count when the ridge tracing is done for the whorl patterns, if it is present on index, middle and ring finger. Now suppose the ridge count is for index finger from 1 to 5, then it is inner type. From 6 to 12, then it is meeting type. And for 13 and above, it is outer type. For middle finger, suppose the ridge count is 1 to 6, then it is inner type. 7 to 13, meeting type. And 14 and above, it's outer type. Then for ring finger, suppose the ridge count is 1 to 7, then it is inner type. 8 to 14, it is meeting type and 15 and above it is outer type. Now the formula for this sub-secondary classification is index, middle and ring finger of right hand upon index, middle and ring finger of left hand. Now let's consider, suppose the right hand having a ridge count for index, middle and ring finger is 5, 8 and 13 and for left hand it is having 8, 18 and 3. Then the sub-secondary classification for this is IMM upon MOI, that is inner type, meeting type upon meeting type, outer type and inner type. So guys, this was all about the classifications of fingerprint. Now it's time to give an answer of a question which was asked in last video. The question was, who helped Sir E.R. Henry for the development of classification system of fingerprint? The answer is Mr. Hemchandra Bose and Azizul Haq. They helped Sir E.R. Henry to develop the primary, secondary and sub-secondary classification of fingerprint. Now, question for this video is, who is the father of fingerprint? Comment your answers in comment box below and don't forget to email me if you want to enroll for the UGC NET classes. The email ID is given in the description box below. That's it for this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please press the subscribe button to explore the forensics. Please like and share this video to your friends and family. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.